Hi, good morning. This is John C. Mohan. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whichever part of the world are you in. Hope you'll enjoy this topic and thank you for festive 2024 for giving me this opportunity to talk about one of my favorite subject, AI-powered quantum computing. By the way, my name is John C. Mohan. I work as a data and AI consultant for Roland Software and Consulting Services, UK. Okay, all right. Here is the question, a bold question to start with. What if the unsolvable isn't really unsolvable? What if the problem that takes years, decades, or even centuries to crack could be solved before your coffee gets cold? Sounds like a science fiction fever dream, right? But that's the reality we're stepping into with AI powered quantum computing. Here's the thing, our world has huge problems: climate change, global pandemics, the complexity of cybersecurity. For decades, we have thrown everything we have at these issues: classical computers, massive data centers, brilliant minds. And while we have made progress, we are still stuck playing by the game, old rules. Enter quantum computing, a technology that doesn't bend the rules, it rewrites them. And when you pair it with artificial intelligence, you're not just upgrading your problem solving toolkit, you're inventing a completely new one. Today, I'm going to take you through why this matters, what it means, and how it's going to change everything. What is quantum computing? Let's strip this down to basis. Classic computer, the ones you use every day, run on bits, which are either a zero or a binary or one binary, plain, simple. But quantum computing, they run on qubits. And these little rebels can be zero, one, or both at the same time. It's called superposition, and it's like multitasking on steroids. And then there's entanglement. Imagine two quick bits so connected that no matter how far apart they are, whether it's a millimeter or a million miles, what happens to one instantly affects the other. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. Spooky, yeah, it's really spooky. Sure, game changing, absolutely. So, what does this mean? It means that quantum computers can look at multiple solutions at once instead of plodding through them one at a time. And when paired with AI, which excels at pattern recognition and optimization, you are suddenly solving problem at a scale and speed that's downright surreal. The power of quantum and plus AI. Here is a metaphor for you. Quantum computing is like a supercar, which insane horsepower, but without a driver. It's all potential and no precision. AI is the driver that takes the raw power and turns it into a controlled, targeted action. For example, AI models can take weeks, sometimes months, to train on classic computers, whereas quantum AI does it in hours. Climate prediction with classic systems, we are looking at delays and guesswork. Quantum AI, it cracks the data and spits out answers before traditional models even boost up. I once heard about a research. It's like this. It's like going from crawling to flying without any step in between. And honestly, that's not even an exaggeration. Quantum AI is revolutionizing field in ways we are only beginning to understand. Real world application, let's dive into where this is already making waves, okay, in the field of healthcare. Imagine designing cancer treatment in weeks instead of years. Quantum AI allows us to simulate molecular interaction at an unprecedented scale, finding cures faster and more efficiently. One biotech firm recently used it model a protein in days that would have taken classic system months. When it comes to finance, financial system are using quantum AI to detect fraud before it happens. So we encounter fraud every day, financial frauds and those type of things. Not to mention quantum encryption is basically unhackable, making your data safer than it's ever been. A major bank reported catching fraudulent transaction in milliseconds take to quantum enhanced algorithms. Climate change. Quantum AI is rewriting how we model climate system. During one trial, it accurately predicted a major weather anomaly weeks before traditional system even noticed. This is more than forecasting. It's problem solving at planetary level. When it comes to logistics, you ever wonder why package is late? Quantum AI is optimizing supply chains to near perfection. A logistic firm reduced delivery time by 30% using this tech. That's not faster. That's revolutionary. So the challenge, of course, and nothing this groundbreaking comes without its shares of hurdles. Quantum computers are fragile. They operate at temperature colder than outer space. Literally, any disturbance, even a whisper of heat, can throw them off. And then there's a cost involved. Building this machine is wildly expensive, and there is serious talent gap in this field. Finding someone who understands both quantum computing and AI is like looking for a unicorn. But here is the thing: we faced similar challenges before. The internet started as a clunky allied tool, and now it's in your pocket. The same will happen here. Quantum AI is evolving faster than anyone anticipated, and these adults are just temporary. Yeah, what is the future holds? This isn't just about faster computers or smarter algorithms. It's about possibilities we haven't even dreamed of yet. Clean energy solution. Quantum AI could model energy system that eliminate waste entirely. Disease-free generation. It's within reach. Google and IBM are already pioneering quantum AI solution. In 2019, Google's quantum computer solved a problem in 200 seconds. That would take classic system 10,000 years. Think about that. We are already in the future. One developer told me working with quantum AI feels like jumping from black and white TV to 4K Ultra HD overnight. That's the level of transformation we are talking about. The leap we have been waiting for. AI powered quantum computing isn't just another step forward. It's a leap in new era of problem solving. It's not just solving the unsolvable. It's redefining what's solvable altogether. So here's my challenge to you. Stop thinking about limits. Start thinking about leaps. Quantum AI isn't just the future. It's happening now. The only question left is, are we ready to embrace it? The future isn't waiting for us. It's already here. Let's not just witness it, let's shape it. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Once again, everyone, have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And we will talk about this topic more. Thank you very much.